Today in this video, we'll show you how to make sausage fried rice. First, we'll need 4 cups of cooked white rice. I made this last night. Some sausage, and it's a little spicy, so that's kind of nice. It gives it a nice kick. And we have oyster sauce, pure sesame seed oil, and also some soy sauce. So let's get started. So we have the sausage right here. We're gonna only use half of it today. We're just gonna cut this real quick. Put it right there. And we're gonna slice it up. Next, we're gonna heat up the frying pan. We're gonna get started. First, we're gonna add the sausage. And we're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil. We're just trying to sear the sausage a little bit. Alright, we're going to flip them over. We're going to add a half cup of frozen peas. Then we're going to add some eggs. So 2 eggs, and stir everything all together. Okay, it's looking good. And now we're going to add the rice. We're going to add 4 cups of cooked rice. We just have to loosen up the rice a little bit, because they're kind of clumped together because it was made overnight. And the good thing about making rice overnight is that it's a little bit less moist, a little bit less sticky. Okay, so now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, and also 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Alright, 1 tablespoon. And also 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And that's really it. And then you just stir it all together. So there you have it. It's really easy to make. It's an Asian style fried rice, and we're gonna put it on a plate. So there we go. This is the sausage fried rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!